Good morning, children. We'll start with a new lesson today in Hindi. What is this? Dayalu Balak. Dayalu Balak means a kind boy. So this boy is a very kind boy, very helpful boy he is. So let us read it here first. एक दिन एक बालक स्कूल जा रहा था. उसने देखा कि रास्ते में एक बुढ़िया हाथ फैलाए बैठी बैठी है. लोग उसकी ओर ध्यान दिए बिना ही गुजर जाते हैं. बालक ने पूछा, भूखी हो अम्मा? बुढ़िया ने हाँ में सिर हिला दिया. बालक ने अपना टिफिन बॉक्स खोला और सारा खाना उस बुढ़िया को दे दिया. अब यह बालक हर रोज अपने घर से कुछ अधिक खाना लाता, फिर रास्ते में उस बुढ़िया को देता जाता. बुढ़िया बालक को देखते ही खुश हो जाती. एक दिन जोर का तूफान आया. तूफान में पेड़ उखड़कर गिर गया. बुढ़िया उसके नीचे दबाकर मर गई. कॉर्पोरेशन वाले उसे उठा ले गए. अगले दिन जब बालक को इस बात का पता चला तो वह बहुत रोया, परंतु रोते रोते उसने निश्चय किया कि वह जीवन भर लोगों की सेवा करेगा. बड़ा होकर यह दयालु बालक सुभाष चंद्र बोस के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ. वह महान देशभक्त थे. See here, I'll say it in English first and then I'll explain to you here what happened. There was a boy. He was every day he was going to school. So when he was going to school, on the way he used to see a grandmother, a lady sitting under a tree and for asking for that is anything. She was just actually begging. She was begging. She always used to show her hand towards the people, those who are moving. So what happened? One day when this boy saw that lady, grand old lady, he asked, what? Are you hungry? Then she said, she didn't say anything, she just nodded her head. Yes, she wanted to say yes, she just nodded her head. Immediately what did the boy do? Boy took his tiffin box. He was taking it to school, isn't it? So he took the tiffin box and he gave that tiffin box to this grand old lady. She was very happy and she ate that. So every day when he was going, he could see this lady sitting under the tree begging. So what he used to do, every day he used to bring more quantity of food, and that extra quantity of food he used to give to this grand lady, and he used to go to school. Every day that was a routine for him. But one day what happened, there was a heavy storm, heavy wind was there, storm was there. What happened? This grand lady was sitting under a tree, isn't it? What happened to that? That tree, the branch of the tree broke down and it fell on the grand old lady. And what happened? She passed away. She died. What did the corporation people do? Because nobody was there to take care of this lady, isn't it? So finally corporation people came. They took that body and just buried it. Next day the child came to know, oh, this is what has happened. That grand old lady is not there. But then he immediately thought, here afterwards, I should be helpful to others. I should do something good to others. Always I have to help others. So like that every day he used to do something good in his life. Every day he used to do something good deed. So like that what happened? When he grew up, he was the one who became Subhash Chandra Bose. You know no? Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So what was he? He was into the Indian army, isn't it? So he fought for the freedom of our country. He was a very great person, right? So this boy only became further as Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. So everybody remember him now, isn't it? So in his childhood itself, he was a very kind-hearted boy. Okay. Now I'll read it in in Hindi and I'll explain. एक दिन एक बालक स्कूल जा रहा था. So one day one boy was going to school. उसने देखा कि रास्ते में एक बुढ़िया हाथ फैलाए बैठी है. So he saw a grand old lady just begging. She was putting her hand front like this and she was begging. लोग उसकी ओर ध्यान दिए बिना ही गुजर जाते हैं. So everybody, those who are passing by, they never even bothered about that grand old lady. They were just moving away. बालक ने पूछा, भूखी हो अम्मा? So this child asked, this boy asked, are you hungry? Mother, amma means mother. Are you hungry, amma? He is asking. बुढ़िया ने हाँ में सिर हिला दिया. So she didn't open her mouth and say yes, but she just nodded her head. Yes, like that she showed. बालक ने अपना टिफिन बॉक्स खोला और सारा खाना उस बुढ़िया को दे दिया. So immediately what did the child do? He took out his tiffin box and the whole food, whatever he has brought for him to eat in the school, isn't it? That whole food he gave to this grandmother. अब वह बालक हर रोज अपने घर से कुछ अधिक खाना लाता. So from that day onwards, what happened? Every day this boy used to bring more food, and then he used to give it to this grand old lady. फिर रास्ते में उस बुढ़िया को देता जाता. So every day he used to give it to that grand old lady, his food, whatever the food he was bringing, he used to give. बुढ़िया बालक को देखते ही खुश हो जाती. So whenever this grandmother was seeing this child, what happened? The grandmother used to feel so happy because she was getting food, doesn't it? So she was very happy with this child. एक दिन जोर का तूफान आया. There was a storm. There was heavy wind. So one day it happened like that. तूफान में पेड़ उखड़कर गिर गया. So what happened in that storm? What happened? So what happened? एक दिन जोर का तूफान आया. So there was a big storm. तूफान में पेड़ उखड़कर गिर गया. So what happened? The tree just uprooted. It fell down. Okay, with the branches it fell down. बुढ़िया उसके नीचे दबकर मर गई. So what happened to this grandmother? On the grandmother only this tree fell and she died. कॉर्पोरेशन वाले उसे उठा ले गए. So कॉर्पोरेशन people came and took the body. अगले दिन जब बालक को इस बात का पता चला तो वह बहुत रोया. So what happened? That boy understood. The next day he understood this is what has happened the previous day. He started crying. So much he cried. परंतु रोते रोते उसने निश्चय किया कि वह जीवन भर लोगों की सेवा करेगा. So what happened? Crying, he understood. He thought that here afterwards I have to do something good for others. Every day I have to do something good for others. So he every day he used to do something, some help he used to do for others. बड़ा होकर वह दयालु बालक सुभाष चंद्र बोस के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ. So when he grew up, when he became old, what happened? He was called as Subhash Chandra Bose. He was famous. Prasidh means famous. वह महान देशभक्त थे. So he was a great patriot. Patriot means what? One who loves his country is called as a patriot. So he was also a lover of India. For India only he fought and he passed away. Okay, he was in the army and he passed away. Okay, so that is about the story of this boy. So all of us should be kind towards others. We should not be selfish. We have to be kind towards others. Whatever we have, if we have extra, we have to give to others. We have to share it. Okay, that is the moral. So when you do something without expectation, you will become great person. That's the meaning there. Okay. Now, so here you can see the meaning here. Balak means child. Rose, every day. Nishchay, promise. Budiya, old woman. Tufan, storm. Deshbhakt, patriot. Okay. Now once again I will read. All of you look into your book and keep a finger on the lines what I am reading. Okay. First one is, the chapter name is Dayalu Balak, means a kind boy. एक दिन एक बालक स्कूल जा रहा था. उसने देखा कि रास्ते में एक बुढ़िया हाथ फैलाए बैठी है. लोग उसकी ओर ध्यान दिए बिना ही गुजर जाते हैं. बालक ने पूछा, भूखी हो माँ? भूखी हो अम्मा? बुढ़िया ने हाँ में सिर हिला दिया. बालक ने अपना टिफिन बॉक्स खोला और सारा खाना उस बुढ़िया को दे दिया. अब वह बालक हर रोज अपने घर से कुछ अधिक खाना लाता, फिर रास्ते में उस बुढ़िया को देता जाता. बुढ़िया बालक को देखते ही खुश हो जाती. एक दिन जोर का तूफान आया. तूफान में पेड़ उखड़ कर गिर गया. बुढ़िया उसके नीचे दबकर मर गई. कॉर्पोरेशन वाले उसे उठा ले गए. अगले दिन जब बालक को इस बात का पता चला तो वह बहुत रोया, परंतु रोते रोते उसने निश्चय किया कि वह जीवन भर लोगों की सेवा करेगा. बड़ा होकर यह दयालु बालक सुभाष चंद्र बोस के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ. वह महान देशभक्त थे. So let me stop it here, children, and continue in the next class. Thank you.